Alright, this is a Dell Wyse Thin Client. Comes stock with 2 gig of RAM and 2 gig of SSD. And if you're going to run OctoPrint, that's not near enough. I've upgraded it to 8 gig of RAM and 120 gigabyte SSD. It was one of those Western Digital green SSDs, and you just pull the case apart and there's a chip in there that's it's slightly larger than this one that came out of it, but it pops right into place. And you do need there's a where the screw goes in here and holds it down, you need to put tape over the little riser that's in there, otherwise it might short out your circuit board on the one you replace it with, because like I said, the one that comes out of the Western Digital is slightly larger than this. So that's the only thing that I can think of that is different. But Tom Beckendorf Jr. over on 3D Rescue has a build on that you can burn to an SS or onto a thumb drive and flash OctoPrint. Well, you can flash the entire Linux system and OctoPrint both directly onto this. I haven't downloaded that yet, but I will. I picked one of these up for about $20 at Walmart, and you'll need this too if you're going to run more than one printer off this. If you're going to multitask it and have more than one printer running, I'd like to have about 3, so I'm going to have a couple of those USB hubs. Now, I've got 2 of these, and I've upgraded the other one exactly like this one. Though I do have a 1 terabyte drive ordered to SSD in order to put in here, and I want to see if there's a lot of difference in performance between the two. But thanks for watching. Alright, the way we're going to fix this, I've already changed the hard drive out, or the SSD drive. That's this. So I've taken these four screws out right here already. So after you do that, you just pull that up and then jiggle it a bit until you can get takes a little bit of work to get that where the on and off switch is, to get that out. There we go. Now the RAM, you just pull those 2 pins and it comes on out. So we're gonna put this new RAM in there, bump it from 2 up to 8 gig, and it's just as easy as taking it out, you just put it in there and push it down. Then you finesse these, line it up with these offsets there to get everything lined back up, then push that back down. So I've got my, nothing more boring than watching somebody put screws in a circuit board. So, but I'll let you watch anyway. Takes a minute. Alright, that's all there is to it. Just take and put this back on here. The red goes to the left and the black goes to the right. Light in here sucks. There we go. There. Move this away. Pull it in and you're done. Fairly simple.